Okay, so this is the Mars roller coaster. I think we are little spaceships going to Mars. So apparently this one is great. We'll see if it is. I love the theming though. Look at this.
So this is what Mars is look like.
Yeah, this is Mars. This is Martians. Woohoo! I have to say that this is a great kiddie coaster. It's really fun. Upp med händerna, upp med händerna. It's a great little coaster. So we just had to put our arms in the air for some friends. They could take some pictures of us, of course. This is a great roller coaster, I have to say.
Hurts a bit. Just a bit.
Just a bit. Okay, we're gonna do one more lap, I think. Yes, we are. It does a little jolt. It's still really fun, I have to say. This is great. I would like to have this at home.
No.
Yeah, in my backyard. It would be fun.
One more.
No, not one more. No. Yeah, there we go. We're done. We're done.
We have to go back to
That's it. That's Mars roller coaster. We have to go back to Earth.